I know we have a lot of choices when it comes to automation. That's because there is no one-size-fits-all solution. But what if we could get all the benefits of our pallet pool wrapped up into a more compact robot package that can still handle your high-mix, low-volume work? Normally, robots are used for high-volume setups because changing over from part to part is just too time-consuming. Well, we've definitely been living up to our name these past several years. Automation is at the forefront of everyone's minds, and our pallet pools have been extremely effective among Haas users. Now you can get this same level of effectiveness in a compact robotic system. Check it out. This is the new Haas Robotic Pallet Loader, or RPL for short. We've taken our 25-kilogram robot package and combined it with our 0-point fixturing system to produce a part loader that's easy, flexible, and affordable. So now you're no longer focused on a specific part as much as you are a variety of pallets. Run one of each part or multiples of any given part, depending on your needs and how you've populated your pallets. The Haas Robotic Pallet Loader comes standard with 3 complete pallets and is expandable to 15. The RPL is compatible with our small and medium 5-axis UMCs, as well as our small and medium VF machines. So whether you're looking for 3-axis part handling or 5-axis part handling, we've got you covered. The Haas 0-point fixturing system has been around for years now, and many customers have been using it for loading and unloading of parts onto our freestanding rotary products. Taking this same approach and adapting it to this slightly larger pallet allows you to accommodate a wide variety of parts for unattended machining. The end-of-arm tooling on the Haas robot package also uses a 0-point system to pick up and deliver the pallet in and out of the machine. This load-unload station allows you to easily get your parts in and out of the machine cell. And using the automatic pallet scheduler, you simply load up your various part programs, then choose which jobs you want to run in whatever quantity and in any priority. It's that simple. Go home at the end of the day and come back the next morning to a rack full of parts that have already been machined. Imagine a 5-sided part like this with a cycle time of around 33 minutes. Running a rack full of parts like these is an extra 8 hours of unattended machining. That's an entire shift without anyone standing in front of the machine. Or think about how many wasted hours of setup time can be reclaimed just by having a selection of your most popular repeat jobs racked and ready to go. No more tear down and setup every time you need to fill an order. Manufacturing isn't the same as it was 5 years ago, or even last year. We're living in a day and age where affordable automation really needs to become the norm so that you can lower your overhead and stay competitive against a host of global competitors. Our automation solutions are designed to empower your existing workforce to help take you to new levels of productivity. They're available to help you tackle the challenges of automation and achieve the success you've been looking for.